Hello everyone. The video tutorial is for LeetCode Biweekly Contest 31, and the problem I'm going to discuss today is problem B, which is number of subarrays with odd sum. So the problem statement states that given an array of integer ARR, we need to return the count of the number of subarrays with odd sum, and it can be possible that answer is very large, so we need to output it under mod of 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So let's see it on one sample test case. We are given with an array 1 3 5, and it could have three subarrays possible, six subarrays possible, 1 1 3 1 3 5 3 3 5 and 5, and its sum are as follows: 1 4 1 3 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9, 3 5 plus 3 is 8, and 5. And out of these sums, only four sums are odd: 1 9 3 and 5. So the output is 4. So we can solve this problem using a very simple problem solving technique, which is prefix sum, and a simple basic maths concept. So let's discuss about the maths concept, which is nothing. If the number is odd, if we subtract, let's say we are given with a number n, and it is even. Okay, so how can we make this even number an odd number? We just have to subtract an odd number from it, and we will get odd number. For example, if we have 10, and if we subtract 1 from it, we will get 9, which is odd. And let's say we are having an odd number and we subtract even number from it, then we will definitely going to get odd number. For example, we have a number 13, and if we subtract 2 from it, we will get 11. So we can use the simple idea to solve this problem. How? So let's first discuss what is a subarray. What is a subarray? Subarray is nothing but contiguous block of array itself within an array. For example, we are having 1 2 and 3 as an array. So subarray will be the contiguous block of array. So subarray will be 1 1 2 1 2 and 3, 2 2 3 and 3. Okay, so this is all the subarrays. And what is the upper bound of number of subarrays within an array? It is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so if you also look carefully, any subarray is nothing but the difference of two prefix arrays. For example, if we took 2 3 as an example, this is nothing but the difference between the subarray 1 2 3 and the subarray 1 itself. So 1 2 and 3 minus 1 as a subarray, we will get 2 and 3. So we can use this idea with this maths idea to solve this problem. How? We just need to transform this whole array into a prefix sum, and just check on these conditions. Okay, how? Let's transform this array 1 2 3 into a prefix sum. So it will be 1, then it will be 3, and it will be 6. Okay, prefix sum is nothing but the sum prior plus the current value. Okay, now if we are at any index I, and if at ith index the sum is odd, then we need to subtract even number from it to get the odd number, right? So we know that till here the sum is odd, so we just do answer plus plus, and also we need to add all all the uh, all the we need to check what are all the count of uh, even numbers which comes prior to this ith index. So count of even number uh, prior to ith index, prior to ith index, prior to ith index. So how many numbers comes prior to ith index? There is none. So till here answer is 1. Okay, now we come to 3. So this is also odd, so we just simply do answer plus plus. We will get 2 here and we will get 1 here. Okay, and how many odd numbers comes prior to this? There is none, so 2 plus 0, and here it will be 1 plus 0. So till here, if we check all the subarrays till 1 to 2, we will have only 2 subarrays, 1 and 1 2 as an odd sum. 2 is not possible because 2 is even. Now we come to this index. This is an even number. So in order to make even number, we need to subtract all the odd number. We need to subtract odd numbers in order to make it odd. So we need to we can't we can't plus 1 here, because the subarray till here is the sum of subarray till here is even. So we just need to check how many odd numbers exist before this. So how many odd numbers exist before this? It is 2. So we just have to add it to our answer. 2 plus 2 is 4. So total number of subarray is total number of counter subarrays till 6 is 4. How? This is odd. This is odd. This is even. This is even. This is odd, and this is odd. So 1 2 1 2 3 3 and 4. Okay, so yeah, so we just have to check if the number is odd, we need to subtract all the even numbers prior to that index, and if the number is even, we need to subtract all the odd numbers prior to that index. So we can just take first mod, which is mandatory for the question, because we need to output answer mod 29 plus 7. Then we can take a sum variable in order to calculate prefix sum. Then we can take 2 more variables, even and odd. Then we can simply iterate over the array arr.size I plus plus, and we can just do sum equals to sum plus arri mod 2, and if this sum is odd, then we need to just answer plus 1 plus count of all even numbers comes prior, and if the sum is even, then we need to just add count of odd numbers comes prior, and if the sum is odd, we need to just odd plus plus, and else it is even. And we also have to do answer equals to answer by mod, because we need to output answer by mod. So return answer. Also let's define answer here, and let's try run. Let's check it on sample input. It's 401641. Okay, let's submit, and it says updated. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and see you in the next video.